Hi. Another question that gets posed a lot is, I'm in an arranged marriage. Is that going to be a problem for purposes of getting my green card or my ability to come to the United States? And the question is, and the answer is, it doesn't have to. It really depends on the particular facts of the case. And so there are many countries and many cultures where that's okay. And so the embassies and the consulates within those countries are aware of the situation on the ground, and so are more likely and apt to be okay with arranged marriages. So remember, you need to show things like, the family is aware of it, the families came together, what is the documented evidence of all this, right? And so, there might not necessarily have to be love that's involved, but at the very least, there has to be kind of a public commitment of this marriage, and it's common in that, like for example in India, that's a common practice, and so and other countries as well. And so really it varies by country to country, and how likely it is that an arranged marriage is something that that is allowed in that culture. But generally, as a rule, it's not a problem. Thank you for watching.